Why I chose psychology? So, there was a time in 2018 and 19 I was completely lost in this world, struggling with social anxiety, fear, limiting beliefs, and whatnot. In 2019 August, Allah Ta'ala introduced me to Quran, where my heart found peace as I began learning about Allah through Quran. This was the turning point. Allah gave me the wisdom and strength I needed. I got an insight to do something meaningful with my life, something that involved Quran. After I completed my graduation, I prayed to Allah for guidance. Then Allah answered my prayer in a way that I heard about psychology from one of my friends. I never thought of doing psychology, but after doing some research, I felt a spark inside me. I knew, okay, यही रास्ता अल्लाह मेरे लिए चाहते हैं. Looking back, it feels like everything was part of Allah's plan. Today, I am counseling psychologist and a therapist and also upskilling myself as I am doing professional diploma in psychotherapies and PG diploma in guidance and counseling, helping women and teens navigate their feelings through my holistic approach which involves therapeutic techniques and wisdom of the Quran.